Hello all, very good evening. Can someone confirm me that are you able to hear my voice and is my screen is visible to you? Can you just confirm me?
Are you asking me? I just missed it, Raj. Sorry, Karthik.
Yes, this is Karthik. Yes, I'm
I
here. Sorry.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Thanks for the confirmation. Just a second. Yeah. So first of all, I welcome you all to today's GCP Professional Certification Training Introduction Session. I welcome you all to today's session. Thank you all for joining. So this is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies admin team. Okay. So I'll be just giving a 2 minutes introduction about our trainings and all, and then I'll hand over the session to our trainer Aneesh Garu. So sir will start the session. Okay. Yeah. So this is our website. Like we have a website called rajinformatica.com. So in rajinformatica.com, you can just see the home screen here. Okay, so this is our website. In our website, like you can just go to the courses section here. You can just go to the courses section. These all are the courses that we are offering here. So we are offering GCP professional training, AWS and Devops, Azure data engineering, Databricks, a Snowflake training. Snowflake is in the combination of DBT and ADF. Okay, so Power BI, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, IACS, IDMC, Python full stack training, Java full stack, Python for AI and Chat GPT, like Tableau. These are all our courses that we are offering here. Okay, so if you can just browse our website, so you can see, sorry, yeah, you can see like many useful interview questions, many useful materials are available here. Okay, so if you can browse our website, like it will help you for preparation of any of these trainings if you are looking for, or if you are looking for any of these interview questions. Okay, so on all the things, you can just like get an idea like how the materials will be, how the interview questions will be. Like you can just check out here, and we have a YouTube channel as well. We have a YouTube channel as well, and our channel name is like Raj Informatica Real Time Hands On Job Based Training. Okay, so you can see 35.2 says 2K subscribers are available right here, and like we have uploaded like many useful videos in our YouTube channel. Once you can browse, you will understand the things like whatever the uploaded whatever videos we have uploaded here. So we have uploaded many useful videos like Azure Data Engineering, Databricks, GCP, Snowflake, Power BI, like Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud. Okay, so many useful videos like we have uploaded here. Many interview questions, discussions, many doubts clearance sessions are also uploaded here. Just browse our channel. I'll be just sharing the link with you. I will just sharing the link with you in the chat box. Okay, so if you like the videos, just subscribe to channel and comment on the videos as well. Okay, I have shared the things. So I have received a text like not able to see the screen. So hope you can see the screen. If not, you can just like text me anytime in the chat box, please. Okay. So that like we'll be helping you all the time. And like without any delay, I'll just like hand over the session to Anish Garu, so our trainer. So sir will explain you in-depth details of our course and like what and all we will be covering. So and we'll go for some interaction today. Okay. So I'll just give a 30-second break. 30-second break. So please post your WhatsApp number and your name as well, so that like my team will be adding you to the like a GCP GCP like a real-time project discussion group, so that like if you have any like updates, or if you want to discuss anything about GCP, so you can just get all the updates in this group. Okay, just share your WhatsApp number and your name. Okay, so my team will be adding you to the WhatsApp group before completion of the session. If not, you can just like ping us on our numbers. If for any like details if you required, you can just visit our website and you can see the number here, 8105296858. Okay, so you can just call us on these numbers. Okay, and coming to today's like one more important thing, so today we have a special offer is also going on. So as the holy festival is like commencing today, like we are just like having the special offer as well for the registrations. Okay, so I'll just like reveal the registration details, and I'll just reveal the like whatever the offers are available today at the end of the session. Just stay connected. Just stay connected. So I'll just give a 30-second break. So please post your WhatsApp number and name. Thank you. Yeah, thanks for sharing your contacts. Yes, Anish, you can take over from here. Thank you.
Hello. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, Anish, you are clearly
Yeah,
audible.
okay. Yeah, sure. So good evening, everyone. So today we will have a, short demo about how cloud computing works and about the course and course content and what are the queries if you have about cloud computing and again about specifically about Google Cloud. So I'll be the Google Cloud trainer, like if you're proceeding with this training. So before I start with this session, will you take some time and drop your some a couple of things I wanted to understand my audience, your total experience, your current technology you're working in, and your cloud experience. These three things. Okay, so your total experience, if it is 10 year, then current technology, whatever Java, Linux, whatever it is, and your experience or knowledge in cloud. If it is totally zero, you can mention a zero knowledge in cloud, or 1 year or 2 year. If it is in AWS, they can mention AWS 2 years, something like that. Can you just take a minute and drop it in the group chat so that, okay, zero, fine. Some of you will you do it so that I'll explain accordingly. Okay, I see some messages. I'm sharing my screen. I hope it's visible too. All right, I'm getting multiple response. Okay, I think that is sufficient. So we will begin. Before we start with our actual demo, this is my introduction. I do have 16 plus years industry experience in the different technologies in the industry. I started with uh, a profile system administrator in Linux and different Unix platforms, if you're aware. And later, last close to 7 years, I've been working in Google Cloud, different cloud technology, but mostly in Google Cloud. Real time, like I'm full time. I'm working as a Google Cloud architect. Along with that, I am doing the freelance training as well. So this is my skills. Like you can take a look. And my primary cloud skill is Google Cloud. And apart from that, I know AWS OpenStack, which is a private cloud, and Azure as well. Some AWS, Azure, and all. I have basic knowledge, but this is where I'm full time. I'm working as a solution architect. When it comes to my certifications, Google Cloud Professional Architect. This is the most valuable Google Cloud certification in the market, which is Professional Architect. Then I do have an AWS certification. In Google Cloud itself, there is a foundational certification, which is a Google Cloud Digital Leader, CDL, Digital Leader. Apart from that, I have a private cloud certification, which is OpenStack, RHCSA, and RHCA. This is my whole profile. I want you to know like from whom you are learning Google Cloud. Then again, apart from all these things, I'm a Google certified trainer as well. If you are aware, there are trainers can have a discussion with the Google, and we can deliver our training in Google, and they will certify as a Google certified trainer. I'm officially allowed to train Google Cloud from Google itself. Like I'm a Google certified trainer, if you know the difference. So this is about me. We will move on. So today we are going to discuss about it. So I understand a lot of candidates in this list are totally new to cloud. So we will understand what is cloud and We will understand what is cloud. We will start with traditional computing, how it works, what is an on-premise data center, then different before we start with the cloud, we will understand how the traditional computing works before cloud, how the computing was, and how cloud is making a difference in the industry, so that you will get a clear idea what is the relevance of learning cloud, and what are the scope once you learn the cloud. Yes, I'm sharing my screen. I hope it's visible. Soumya, is it visible to others, my screen? Like a cloud computing, the white and blue screen. Okay, I'm moving my cursor. I have two screens,
Yes.
so I hope I'm sharing the right screen. Okay, so type of computing devices used in a data center. So if you understand this traditional computing, you will get a clear idea what is the relevance, and after learning cloud, how what are the scope, and what all the job market and all these things. Then we will go with the introduction to cloud computing overview, comparison of cloud computing with on-premise data center. This is what today we are going to do in next 20 to 30 minutes. Just imagine 15 years back or 20 years back, you are starting a business. Okay, you are you have some idea, and you are starting a business which is something IT related. It can be a website, an e-commerce website, or any other kind of food delivery, any kind of a new idea you have, and you are starting that business. What all you required? You need to develop a website or application or whatever it is. So you need to develop it. So you will be hiring the developers for your organization. Where exactly these developers host your website? You are planning a website, and where exactly these developers are going to host your website. If you know the answer, you can drop it in chat. All right. So you're starting a business, you are hiring employees to develop a website. They will be hosting the website in a data center. Right, your website, like whatever daily basis we are accessing all these website, even mobile application, everything is actually hosted in servers. Servers are large computers, of course, we all know, and those are located in a data center. This is how a data center looks like. In a data center, there are major three components are there. One is server. Server is a large, high computing capacity, like unlike our laptop and desktops, like it is having high computing capacity. This is where your application is getting hosted. Like if you have a Java or whatever the application, then Python based application, any application, it will be hosted in the servers. So on top of server, virtual machines and all there, that's secondary, but this is where it is getting hosted. Apart from server, the other major component is storage. Storage is something, if you look at a storage box, left side, you can see some storage boxes. Inside storage box, there will be pool of disks. Pool of disks will be there. It's nothing but hard disks. All your data is getting stored in these kind of storage boxes, what you see in the screen. And whatever daily basis, like in Instagram and YouTube, we are uploading a lot of data, right? Our photos, videos, and all these things are getting uploaded, and all these data is getting saved in large storage boxes. Application will be retrieving this data from storage. So this is another major component in a data center. Apart from servers and storage, another major component is networking. Networking include a lot of things, not just one device. So you have routers, switches, then cables. A lot of things are include in a networking concept, because we have a lot of servers, we have storage, and your users, developers have to access your servers. Maybe your servers are located in Mumbai, and your development team will be located in Bangalore or Hyderabad. So there is a problem here, right? So Networking is the technology which helps to connect any computer from a remote, like if you are located somewhere else. Networking is the technology. So these three things you should already have before you start a business. These three means like your data center, not exactly three, okay? Data center, first you need to build a data center before you start your business. Before to develop your website itself, you should have this already. Okay, this is a prerequisites. So just imagine you have an idea, you're planning to make it as a business. So you wanted to create that website, but you should have huge amount of money to build a data center. To implement your idea, to build it, you should have a website. To host the website, you need a data center. So imagine how hard it is. You may not be having that huge investment. Every server, you should have a room, server storage, everything cost you a lot. And you need to get all these things, connect everything, install necessary operating system and other software, get it ready. It is going to take a lot of time as well. Like it may take 6 months to 1 year just to build a data center. All right. So this is a huge problem at that point of time before cloud comes into picture. And not only that, once you build the data center, you need to maintain it with electricity. Uh, Electricity, uninterrupted power supply is required to maintain your data center. The licenses, every software and operating system should have licenses. Then apart from that, um, maintenance. Every if your component fails in any of your computing hardware or any other component fail, maintenance, even software, if it is not working, you should have the skillful engineers to fix it. Then coolant. Again, if you ever visit a data center, this itself a very big area to maintain your data center. So what I'm trying to say is, it's not only the build cost. If you want to run a data center, on the maintenance cost is also applicable, and that is huge. Like you should think many areas, maintenance level. Then you need people, different skilled people are also required to maintain your data center. System admins. What if all your computing requirements were handled by a third party cloud provider instead of managing on-premise data center? All right. Means, so you wanted to start a business, and you don't really need to worry about, you don't really need to build a data center, buying servers, storage, and all these things. You don't have to do, because some third party providers are already there. They set up everything. They already have that setup. You can directly use it. Okay, you can directly use that setup. What if you have that option? That is called cloud computing. Is cloud computing offers server, storage, databases, private networks. So the three major components, right? Storage and databases are for same purpose, networks and many other services, eliminating the need of hardware. You don't need to really purchase the hardware or build the data center. You don't really have to do it. And you have everything in cloud. The third party company will provide. So different services, the cloud, whoever the vendor is, the cloud provider is, they provide different services, infrastructure services, what we discussed, compute, storage, and network. Then platform level services like databases, message related runtime platforms, etc. And some other applications like monitoring, content creation, messaging application, then finance, the all these applications we have. And also you can access all these from different devices. This is what, in short, the cloud computing is. All right. And these are the major cloud providers in the market. You may aware some of this. So AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, these three are the leaders in market, and many other cloud providers are also there. These three are the leaders in market. AWS first, second Azure, and Google Cloud. benefits of cloud computing. So you have some idea, right, of what this cloud computing is compared to 15 years back. Um like the difference how this technology is making in our day-to-day life. Like, you will see a lot of new ideas getting implemented very fast. You have plenty of apps in your mobile, many things which is part of your day-to-day life, which is making your life more easy. One of the reason is, there are many reasons. One of the reason is cloud computing. If you have an idea, to implement that idea, you don't really need to spend a huge initial cost. So that is one major benefit, initial cost saving, no upfront investment in hardware and infrastructure. This is making a big difference. Flexibility to choose different platforms. So if you are running an organization, you can have some applications hosted in AWS and some other application you can host it in Google Cloud. So whichever is good, you can use it. Okay, some services will be very good in AWS, some services will be good in Google Cloud, some other services will be very cost effective in Azure. So that flexibility you have currently, like anytime you can move from one to another, all these things you can do that. Then many maintenance related, just give me a minute, I'm getting. Okay, so sorry for that. So automatic updates, scalable storage, global design. You will find the data centers globally, like in your country and anywhere near your country. All these things, like near your city, you will find a cloud data center. Then payment model we will discuss later. High availability. You can build your applications without having any downtime, without the possibility of any downtime. Zero hardware maintenance cost. So these are some of the benefits of cloud. It is something like, see, if you want to buy a car, you have initial cost. Then uh, initially you should have some 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs something initial cost. Then you will pay road tax and insurance, fuel cost, and the maintenance cost. All these things are involved. But if you are going with a self-driving car, you don't need to spend initial cost, tax saving. You don't need to pay road tax and insurance, and you don't need to pay for fuel or any other maintenance as well. Instead of that, you will be paying for your use. If you use your car for 1 hour, that this self-driving car, you need to pay for 1 hour. If you use it for 1 day, you will pay for that. This is called pay as per go model. The cloud computing payment model is. Okay. So you are hosting your application in cloud computing and you will be paying for your use. If you don't want, just delete everything, just clear it up so you don't have to pay. That is one major advantage in cloud. So it's just like a paying electricity bill at your home. If you use a so and so unit, you'll be paying for that. If you use the rest of the units, then you will be paying for that. Like this month you will pay some number, later you may pay some other number. Use cases of cloud is very huge. Hosting website, hosting entire IT environment, large data storage, DR sites, big data, IoT, all these are like use cases is unlimited. I can't really list the use cases. I just listed some industry area where cloud is getting used. And in future, almost everywhere, like all the enterprise, everyone will be hosting in cloud, because you know the difference between these two. Do you use cloud? Yes, we all use cloud. And why do you need to learn Google Cloud? We have a lot of cloud providers in the market. Why do you need to learn Google Cloud? One is superior AI, machine learning facilities is more good in Google Cloud. The data analytic tools are very optimum in Google Cloud. Different multi-cloud and hybrid cloud flexibility. You have different services which can make multi-cloud or hybrid cloud. Global network infrastructure. As I said, you will find Google Cloud data centers either in your city or nearby city. Cost-effective pricing models, security, compliance, and some exclusive services like Kubernetes, Anthos, VMware. This we will be discussing in our training. Some of this carbon neutral, like sustain design, sustainability in design, carbon neutral design and all. So if we discuss about why do we need to learn Google Cloud, the previous slide is having some list, right? And if you look at this diagram, you can see 2017, this is called Gartner's Magic Quadrant. Gartner is a company, they do the market research of different IT technologies. Market research, like how good they are doing in the market, that research, they do it. And every year they publish in these four boxes, the different organization where it stand. It's not only for cloud, all the other technology also, they do the market research. So here, one is under visionary position. You can see a visionary position. In 2017, Google is in visionary position. The second position is this one. Third is challenges, and fourth one is leader position. In leader position, Microsoft Azure and AWS are in leader position. You can see. Okay, in 2017, within 1 year, Google reached leader position. In 2018 itself, just from 1 year, it reached from lowest to highest position. So you can understand how good Google is doing in the market. And current one, like 2024, is this is the positions. Okay, leaders. These four are the leaders in market, or including Oracle Cloud, AWS, Google, Microsoft, and Oracle Cloud. This is the market share. You can see in 2023, 31% Amazon, 24 Microsoft, and 11% Google. Amazon maintained the dominance in market because AWS came pretty early in the market. Who can learn this course? This is about Google Cloud and basic cloud computing. Who can learn this? One, if you're already working in different technology and maybe in your organization, cloud, your organization is going to use cloud, and then those IT professionals can learn cloud computing. Software developers, the existing developers, like now the recently in their organization, if they are going to do the if they are going to use cloud, they can learn it. Students and freshers, after your graduation, if you are looking for an IT job, this is one of the hot technology in the market. You can learn it. Okay, and I'm talking about our specific course because our specific courses are designed from zero to advanced, like in somewhere in between. Okay, so those who are totally freshers to cloud also can learn. Those who are skilled also can learn in that. Okay. If you already know cloud also, if you want to know advanced, like it is from fundamentals to advanced course, basically it starts from fundamentals to advanced. Managers and entrepreneurs, if your organization is going to use cloud, if you're planning to use cloud, they can also learn it. You are already working in a technology, and if you want a job change or you need to career profile change, those employees also can learn it. So it is designed for targeting all these different variety of candidates. This is about my session. You are free to ask the questions. If you have any questions about course, I'll just do a walk through on course as well. In the
Hi.
course, like, yeah, please.
Yeah, hi Anish. So
Yeah.
basically, I'm a ETL developer from last 12 years,
Mm.
and I have some knowledge on AWS. And what amount of GCP knowledge required for the ETL developer? Like so, because GCP has so many services that ETL developer, may not
Okay.
be required to know.
You don't actually need any pre-knowledge. You don't, you should, it's not mandatory. Yeah, even if you're totally new to cloud also, you can learn this course. It doesn't matter at all. Your current profile doesn't matter. If you know something about cloud, it will be more easy for you. And when it comes to the course content, let me cover this also before I take the next. Did I answer your question?
No, actually. So my question was,
Mm,
so as a ETL, developer, what
mm.
amount of GCP knowledge I require to know? What I'm trying to say is,
Yeah,
I
that
don't
is
need to know
depends.
entire GCP, right?
Okay, yeah. It depends on like if you're in your organization, whether you are using it or not, and if you're moving there or not, it depends on that, right? Like what you're looking after learning cloud. What is the purpose of learning cloud computing? Like in your organization, are they going to use it? Is that the reason that you are learning, or I didn't get that?
Uh, not like that, but just trying to explore my knowledge. That's it.
Yeah. Then, yeah, then you can focus on data related tools, so data engineering related tools. Um, you can learn like it's more of data engineering related tools you need to focus on. Okay. And if you are interested other cloud areas as well, you can focus like maybe in future you can become a cloud architect with your current ETL knowledge. I can't really, I can go more specific because it depends whether in your organization they are going to use it or not. It depends on that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let me walk through on this as well. We'll start with the course content. We'll start with very basics. The some of these are I already explained what is traditional IT and all these things. Then we will move to different types SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, all these things, private, public, and hybrid cloud. These areas we will be covering in the first session. The second, the basic concepts of Google Cloud. First, introduction to Google Cloud Console, how to use the cloud, and all the walkthrough. Like you will get familiarized with the different interfaces, GUI and CLI. Next, we'll go with security. IAM is one of the major security service where you can assign the role, you can decide which policy, you can create the policy, whom you can give the access, all these things you can do it with the this one. And all these blue color lines, what you see here, that is blue color ones are lab. Okay, hands-on activities. You can see few theory and hands-on activities. So here also you will find some hands-ons. Then we will move to a major service, which is compute engine, where you can create and run VMs, virtual machines. So yeah, you will get a certificate from Raj Technologies, but you need to go for the Google certifications as well. This course covers three Google certifications. One is Cloud Engineer, Cloud Architect, and Digital Leader. This one course will cover three certifications. Okay, Google certifications. And here, Cloud Engineer and uh, Professional Architect, these are very important certifications, the most um, which is in very high demand in market. So after compute engine, this is a big session. Some two to 3 days are required to complete this session. After that, we will discuss about storage, different storage services in Google Cloud. Again, we will be doing a lot of hands-on along with this. You will get this course content. Okay, it's already there in the website. You can check it. Load balancing and auto scaling. This is one of the high available design. Networking, which is again a VPC, the networking related topics. And along with that, we will be doing a project. Okay, after this is 50% of our training, we'll be doing a project at that moment. It's a real-time project. This will help you when you attend the exam and all. Sorry, exam plus interview. If you are looking for the certification and also for the interview, this will help you. Databases, different databases and some data related tools as well we will cover. Then some serverless services, which is modern services without managing the server. You can host your applications. Those topics we will cover multiple topics under this App Engine, Cloud Functions, and Cloud Run. Some management tools later, monitoring, logging, all these management tools. Later, the last topic will be Google Kubernetes Engine. This is one of the hot technology in market. It's if you know only this, you may get job only for Kubernetes related. If you know very well, you will get it's a dedicated skill basically. At the end also, we will do a project where you will host an application in Kubernetes. Then there will be a final session, wrap-up session. I'll be explaining a project, how to update the resume, how to solve the practice questions and all. All these I'll be updating. And you will be covering, as I mentioned, this course will cover 3 certifications. Yes. Now I can take more questions. If you have any doubt, you can unmute and ask.
Are you covering Google BigQuery?
Yeah, BigQuery I'll be covering, yes. I didn't.
Anish, this is Karthik. So I have received a question from Raj that is there any chance that AI can replace this, or is there any chance that Gen AI, like which is coming to the market right now? So
Yes,
is there any chance to replace these things? The Raj is having a question on this. Can you just explain, please?
Not really, because even for Gen AI, you need cloud-related infrastructure to run this. And Gen AI and all, it's a very initial stage in the industry. And when it comes to enterprise level, it will take a lot of time to reach. And again, it is not something which is directly affecting cloud computing related technologies. It's not.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. It's been some more time because like I need to leave in some time. So, and if you have any questions later, like you can check with Karthik, and he'll connect with me later, like even after this demo. So if you have any questions, I can quickly take it. I'm also in a little hurry. So if you don't have anything, Karthik, you can take over. You can connect with me later. Okay, the candidates, those who have questions. Is it
Yes,
okay?
Anish, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I'm dropping off. Call me if there is anything. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Anish, yes.
Bye.
Yeah. So hello once again. So this is Karthik. Okay. So as we have discussed in the session till now, like if you have any questions regarding the trainings, regarding the timings, or anything else, like if you have any questions, you can just like unmute and you can ask. And as I told you, there is an offer as well today, right? Yes, I'll be explaining you about this also. Okay. So meanwhile, if you have any questions regarding the training and the duration, you can just like unmute yourself and you can ask. So hope everyone is clear with the training and all. Okay, I'll be like just giving a few updates and like what are the like registration process and like what are the timings and the fees, everything I'll just discuss with you now. Okay. Yeah. So this is a complete training. So the complete training will take you like around like a 45 days, 45 days, daily 1.5 hour. Like weekly, like we are planning for the 5 days training. Okay. So initially for the first week, we will be having alternative days. That is like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay. So mostly like a 1 or 2 weeks, like we'll be having these Monday, Wednesday, and Friday classes because like as GCP is very new to everyone. So to just like get into the content, like we are just taking a bit time and each and every session like if you're having gap so that you can practice well and you can get into the actual content. That is the reason why like we are planning like 1 or 2 weeks as per the candidate's requirement. So like we'll be going for the alternative days. After that we will be going for the continuous classes like Monday to Friday and we'll close the sessions. Okay. And in this training like we have also included this interview preparation, resume preparation. Okay. And even if you don't know, like tell me about yourself, from there we will start and we'll be helping you. Okay. And so even if you want to try with some experience, like if you need experience certificates, experience documents, yes, that will be also provided. Okay. And our course fee is at 20,000 rupees, as you can see in the website here. Okay, the course fee is 20,000 rupees. But if you can enroll today, there is a special offer also going on today. If you can see here, there is a 10% offer given, and we have posted this flyer as well. Okay, that is a 10% discount as for this like holy festival, like we have given this 10% offer. But like whoever enrolling now, as this is our first batch, we are offering more discount. That is a 15% discount. Okay, so if you can make the payment today, so I am just confirming you once again. So this offer is for only today. Okay, so if you want to register, I can help you with a 15% discount and you can go for the payment and you can just get the like a complete training as well. And initially like we will be offering this Oracle SQL training as well. Okay, that means this is a complimentary course for you. Okay, there is no extra payment charges. Okay, so this is Oracle SQL is Oracle SQL classes will be given to you so that you can start watching these Oracle classes as well. Okay, and the next session will be on Monday. Next session will be on Monday. That is like 17th of March. Okay, so like the next session will be on Monday. So if you can complete your registration today, then we can start with the complete registration process and all. And like we will be providing you the complete like lifetime recordings to you. Okay, whatever the classes will be given to you after the sessions. So these classes are lifetime. You can access it for lifetime. No need to worry about that. So each and every day we provide the like material. Okay, so PPT is like whatever we have shared. Okay, and the data like to practice. Okay, so the complete even to including the notepads, we will provide you each and everything to practice. Okay. If you have any questions regarding the registration, you can ask me. And the class timings are like morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. The morning we will be having the classes. Any questions from anyone? Or if you are okay, if you are everyone is clear with the things, then we'll wind up the session. For any queries, you can just like visit our website and you can see here the number, right? 810-529-6858. Okay, so this is our WhatsApp number and calling number as well. So if you have any questions, you can just call or WhatsApp on this number, or else you can fill the form here. You can see a form, right? A inquiry form. Like you can just like give your name, like mobile number and mail ID, and you can just like give and login so that like my team will be like getting your contact details and we'll call you from our end. Done. Hope everyone is clear with your doubts and all. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for joining the session. Have a great day. Thank you.